Miss Boogie. The mighty huntress. Hi, Boo Boo. Those are my sugar boogers. First we have Boudreaux. Boudreaux. And then this time we got Miss Boogie joining us. Of course, she'll smack the dogs if they get out of line. Or splash her. Come on, boo-boos. It's your trail. Right. Look at that. It looks like a fried egg.
Oh, yeah, that's a... I remember seeing those.
That is really something else. It looks like a fried egg. It's got the yolk in the middle.